Hello.
Wow. You see
Hello?
those leaves falling?
Yeah.
Can we at least like stop by the store and get?
لا هنروح نجيب شويه بطاريات وكفايه المفروض عشان انجي تستريح
رايحين نجيب
عشان انجي تستريح نفسيا.
Have some pads. I want to sit on the bucket.
قولي بقى ايه مشكلتك انت؟
Can you at least stop by the store so I won't
My
have to sit on
dad's
a
angry
bucket?
that it's.
بتقولي لي؟
Can you at least?
ناتك.
But I don't know how to explain this to you. The hurricane is coming to hit us.
انجي كانت بتعيط عشان تروح عند
Last
الدكتور.
time, the hurricane wasn't coming. It came to the States, like 3 states
nobody
over,
said
but
it.
it was so big that we had a storm.
You wanna know the problem?
That you don't understand what a hurricane is.
No, you don't know that for sure. You don't know that for sure. That's the problem. That's what your problem is. You're just guessing.
I'm guessing?
Yes.
Yes, because the people who tell me that. Hi, Dada.
لا ولا حد، احنا كنا هنقعد عند ابو طارق بس بابا جيله شوية مش عارفة اقولها ازاي. How do you say sense؟
ما عندوش تفكير.
ما عندوش
يا
تفكير.
قليلة الأدب.
في الكانز عشان لو النور قفل عندنا ولو الجاس مش
ولا نفس القصة اللي حصلت المرة اللي فاتت خد.
There are no candles in there. The candles for the shelves are wiped out.
Ocean City.
Empty.
What is what you got in the bag here? This is what's gonna take you through the holidays?
Yes, double A.
Yeah.
Triple A.
Yeah, for your remote control. What you get this for? Did you get any flashlight?
Corn nuts.
Yeah. Did you get any flashlight?
5-hour energy drink.
Energy drink. Yeah, you guys are crazy.
This gonna save our lives.
It's gonna save your life. What about you? Did you get anything?
No, Sarah would have let me. There was nothing in there.
Okay.
Everyone took everything.
Yeah, we had to go to ShopRite and get food.
I'm not.
I don't understand what can make like you're stubborn. I don't understand.
Oh. Oh, hello.
I have money. I'll get it for us. I have money, Dad. I'll get
It's
it.
dropping the food. Yeah,
Whatever.
not. What are you getting? Let me see.
I'm buying it.
What is this?
Chicken salad,
And
tuna salad.
okay.
Now, flashlight. Sarah, hold the flashlight.
Need a flashlight. We have candles. Are you gonna register the vote?
No, it says today's results. My infinity sign. I'm gonna take one. I'm gonna put a bomb. 0. No, Mom. That's the Mom. That's the violin. Violin? Yeah. No, but then you wash it. The black violin. Good luck, We're gonna breathe hot air on the frozen food, and our frozen food will be made. So this is
Yeah, we need to get food because all
I'm
Hey,
the one to get us
you need
all
what?
sandwiches.
You don't need nothing.
No, it's because all we have is food that we need to cook or food that we need to defrost. So I don't know why. What are we
To eat.
frozen?
You don't have. No, you're not drinking coffee. I don't care. I already took a picture for that.
Oh really? I was gonna take a picture.
One for Romney, one for Obama. بيقول لك naked pizza.
No, it's okay. I'm gonna buy it.
I swear to God.
بس ده مش بتاع
The same thing. It's a French fry.
Isn't that French fries?
It is a French fries. It is a French fries. No, it's a naked French fries.
الثانية اديها 20 40 امبارح عايزة تاخد رباعي جنيه تشيش بالجبنة.
اديت لهم كام عيدية؟
كل واحدة 40 وعايزة
ده خدت 30 وهم خدوا 40 كل واحدة؟ لا قالت لي الصراحة. قالت لي انت قلت لها دول 30 من $100 ولا كذبت عليا؟
لا 30 كار.
ها؟
صافي.
لا انت قلت لي من 100 كذاب.
والله العظيم 30 من 100 دولار.
بعيد عن البنات.
هحب اقول لك صرفتهم في ايه ولا بلاش؟
لا خلاص ما حنوفرها وحنجيبها.
ما انت عارف اهو.
من غير ما اسالك معايا ست.
يا ابن اللئيمة.
والله من غير ما تقول لي والله تاني والله.
انت لئيم.
مش لئيم بس تنتهي. هو قال لي راح تخبط كده. والله والله ما بصير. والله تاني.
This is gonna take you to the
بس انا بقول الكلمه كده.
لا يا عم ولا بص يعني.
ده احساس.
عارف الستات الخليج.
What is this for now?
Lunchables. They're food.
Why you need two of the same? No, don't get two of the
Because
same.
the
No,
other ones are pork.
no, we only
Oh,
need
you
one.
want to get pork?
No, I don't want this. Just one. One is enough.
Or Sarah?
Forget about Sarah.
Sarah said she wanted to.
Sarah's not gonna eat that.
Sarah, are you eating a Lunchable?
انتوا لخبطتوا منهم خدتوا كذا حاجة وبس.
لا لا ما ينفعش. Too much. Put this back.
Benji, why did you get American cheese and turkey? It's not turkey. It doesn't say turkey here. I made a mistake. I made a mistake.
تفتكر من الامريكاني في خنزير.
اه طبعا.
يا بنتي ده في
تركي
خنزير.
كمان في خنزير
في
صح.
It doesn't say turkey. I said that by accident.
Turkey and American crackers. Yeah, that look like pork.
It's not pork.
Read the label in the back. Read it on the side. On the other side, right here. Ingredients.
Let me look at it. Gosh.
You don't know how to read.
ضيعت السبب لبابا.
And the thing that Lunchables, it's the 20th anniversary Arizona.
Really?
$1. Isn't it so cool?
Yeah, that's because it's 20 in the university.
Yep.
That's why it's shipped differently. Never seen in Arizona like
I know,
this.
isn't it? And it says scan to win. No, I think what's this is $1. What is the point of this if it's so hot?
عليكم سعد.
السلام عليكم.
She's wearing she got 500 candles.
For
And her
what?
house must be huge.
For
That's
what?
insane. Everybody knows I'm in over my head, over
Yeah.
my
That's it.
head.
That's
Get out.
it.
Be careful when you get out.
You're not on the safe side. Yeah, there is cars. You just
Is mad far away.
No.
Now we have milk to survive.
tell me. I was talking to you and I said, "Are you prepared for the hurricane? What about this stuff here? Coffee, Arizona. That's your preparation for the hurricane? Comfort food.
We got no cans because my dad's too cheap to buy some. We didn't get any flashlights because, again, you're too cheap.
You didn't
to
get
buy
what?
some.
Slow down. Why you speak so
Because
so
my
quickly?
dad was
What?
too cheap to buy no some. cans,
Okay, we got that.
no flashlights for the same reason. My dad's really stubborn because,
Okay.
like, you see, I don't know how to explain to him that a hurricane isn't just going to be some wind. We're considered
It's
in the
really
bed zone that our
serious,
house
and
might fly off.
Okay. In Arabic بقى. If you speak
Let
second
me see
language,
if
as I
you
said,
can speak
take off that
Arabic.
thing. If you speak second language, as I said, you can get a scholarship. So let me see how good you are, because if you're not good enough, I'm gonna have to work on this. I'm gonna grab this and break it. Take it off. Take it off! Okay, here you go. That's the dollar. Alright. Take it off.
No. It's a stereo.
Yeah, that's the hurricane spirit. Yeah, you are so scared. You're right.
Make me a radio. It's mellow. And for you, sing along to my stereo. But just in the North American on the show. With everybody else. For that, what do you handle? You can handle that.
I'm about to drive in the ocean. I'm gonna try to swim from something. Dad, come on. Dad hasn't wants you.
Okay, give me a minute.
تعالى امشي وانت ساره خليك في المول. ساره اتكلمي معايا. بابا هنا اهو. بابا
لما تخش محل عربي تتكلمي عربي، لما تخش محل انجليزي تتكلمي انجليزي. No, I like your style. لا كلميه بتفهم انت عربي.
لا بس
ايه رايك في العصار اللي جاي يا حسن؟
لا ان شاء الله مفيش حاجه طالعه على الفضيل.
100
يا عم عصار
صلى على النبي. ايه رايك في العصار اللي جاي؟ احنا كده بالبلدي. انا بيعجبني فيك ان انت تخش محل عربي تتكلمي عربي، تخش محل انجليزي تتكلمي انجليزي. طب خد يا اسف. طب قلت لحسن كل سنه وهو طيب؟ What's up, son?
What's up, dog?
Look at this guy's left.
Dad, it's you.
Oh, I like that. انت عارفه ده اسمه ايه؟
Chicken.
No, it's not chicken.
Rooster.
Rooster بالعربي اسمه ايه بقى؟
How am I supposed to know that?
اسمه ديك. Yeah.
You got that too?
Yeah, اللي فيها funny يعني.
You know? Nothing.
كاتكم نيلة في مناظركم. I do understand, but Arabic is Arabic.
Yeah. What's life still working? It's not working at home. I don't know.
Oh no, we got that from Egypt. I still want to see Egypt though.
والله العظيم ده حاجة تضحك.
Look what's going on now.
Look at the birds.
Scared.
Yes, they
Look
are.
at the
They're all
birds.
gonna die. They're gonna die. The birds have to leave, but they can pick up wind signals.
What? What happened? Toast? This is what you have to keep you alive?
No, we have nothing.
Where is the computer? Where is the laptop?
Right there.
Where? بابا واقف على حاجة وفي الأرض دلوقتي. هو مش واقف على حاجة.
مش الكمبيوتر.
This is what we have to keep us alive. This is what we have to keep us alive.
Describe me what you have over here. Give me a
What we
demonstration.
have? Fire. More fire.
Okay.
Caveman fire.
Good.
Batteries for things we don't
Yeah,
have.
for remote control. You guys are crazy.
Mom, this house is like 20 years old.
No.
That's not even old.
It's not even old. You know how old?
18 years?
Yep.
6 years older than me. Yes. Oh yeah, I love it.
Please, can you close the closet?
I Dad's gonna put this on. You see how we look.
I didn't see you look any better.
Take that side
Don't stick it right now. Stick it outside, old man.
I'm so
Don't touch me.
funny. You don't listen to anyone. You don't listen to anyone. It's not.
I didn't see no blood.
نو كانت في ايديك وانت بتتدربي دلوقتي
Sarah.
شكلها وقعت على
We had about 3.5 to 4
Why I put that video
my
too, but
personal house,
what are you doing?
on the harbor. And, you know, the docks are going to come over the piles.
No, I'm serious. Get up totally. I'm gonna fix this whole thing.
And that happened already earlier. And, you know, it's conservative.
Are you gonna walk faster?
No.
We're all going to die.
What is this?
We're all going to die.
That's a hurricane?
We are all
By
going to
Statue
die.
Lippery? So? What's the
We're
big
all
deal?
going to die.
I'll show mom.
بس ممكن اسالكم على حاجه
Hurricane Sandy.
ممكن بس
We're going to
نصور
get you
بنته
in that partial crane collapse in just a moment. But these are pictures from Situate, Massachusetts, Chad Myers, and this is an affiliate reporter. And we're just going to kind of eavesdrop.
You know, the docks are going to come over the piles.
No, I'm serious. Get up totally. I'm gonna fix this whole thing.
And that happened already earlier. And, you know, it's
That's so far. I have faith in God that the worst He will do is kill Dad. That's the worst He will do. I'm kidding. You're gonna be alive, Dad. You're just gonna get a heart attack and have to go to the hospital.
فرحة أمك بيك.
I have faith in God that He
أمك هتفرح بيكي
will
قوي.
keep us alive.
أنت بقيتي بلسان ونص.
The worst He will do will move this house from the ground, and we'll have to spend the night in the basement. That's the worst, because God loves us. Allah loves us.
ماما بتقول لك خلي الجزمة جنبك عشان لو في مشاكل بره تطلعي تجري بره على المشاكل.
يا لا لو حصل حاجة
تطلعي
أول
بره.
حاجة نطلع بره البيت.
اه في الدم.
الأكل هنا وكل حاجة.
الأمان هنا تطلع بره في مشاكل.
هتعملي ايه؟
طب والبيت ليه هدور على جزمة تلبسيها وتمشي؟
I can't go any higher than the ceiling.
Here's a suggestion. Everybody should have a channel right now because you're going to see a flood.
Man up.
Except for the family that's going to let
بتقولي ماما مان اب.
from there. That
Need to leave the computer on the charger so if our phone dies we can charge it in the computer.
It is.
The president's only one note out
That's
front.
far, right?
And also the guy.
هاي
is
حبيبتي
holding
ما انت مش
cancer.
فاهمه حاجه النور ده قطع يعني النت هيقطع
All right, let's
The
go.
computer battery is still gonna work. And we can
لازم
still.
تسيبه على التشارجر
She doesn't want to leave it.
ما احنا ممكن نتشارج التليفون في العربيه كمان
Oh yeah, you're right.
Yeah, but we
Kai,
want to
I'd
go
like to say
outside.
it's much calmer.
I'll go.
3 miles
Charge my
away
phone.
from
Girl,
here.
please.
We have a major disaster going on. I'm going to get to it in a second. We've covered ourselves some ground.
انا عن نفسي هقعد
Look at the hurricane.
ما ده المطبخ بتاعك كده الدنيا زحمه يعني في
سارة ما تفتحيش الباب. This is the last time I'm telling you. Do not open the door.
Open the door.
بصي انت بتعمل ايه؟
You're so stupid. It's not even funny. It's so crazy.
Some questions for you about that as well. But first, we're going to go to Maria.
Here's another one.
I know.
Right there. Look how big is the tree.
It's all right off the top.
Yes, it's terrible.
The fence came out. Are you serious?
I'm serious.
How did I get
That house fly. Yep. Look at the fence. See that fence? It wasn't like that. Minor compared to this.
Oh, look.
Yeah, I know. See the fence? The fence is broke too. And the other one, the same. This one. But it could have been worse. And that one too. You see that? Right there. You see it? Okay, you get a tour.
She goes at the front because
All the bricks and like that. I think this tree is bent, right? That one? Yeah, I think so. This thing's hanging out the house, hanging out the roof. The thing over there. This. See it? It's gonna come out that crash.
انت حطيتني دي على الفيسبوك؟ على الفيسبوك؟ الكش ده؟
بابا اللي حطها من زمان.
يا نهار اسود ممكن تمسحيها يا سارة؟
No, save it on the first.
انا مش مصدقة والله العظيم
He never took it off. It's been on there since August. 2011.
Last year.
Last year.
شفت انا عاملة ازاي؟ شفت ليه؟
Dad, you should have let him. And you take it up with
We
your
did
mom
we
like
did
that.
that. كل حاجة exposed.
Yes, I told Dad.
في فلفل هسه هاتي انقاذ ما يمكن انقاذه right there. You got more over here. That's it. You got more?
ودي وقعت من مين؟ Hello. دي وقعت من مين؟
Here, Sarah. Right there. That's it? Yes. No more? Better than nothing, right? Now let's feed the birds.
بس بيقول لك الكهرباء المنطقة اللي ساكنة فيها هاجر الكهرباء قطع من امبارح الساعة 7 الظهر. أخوها تلاقيه. ابن عمتها.
Get in, Goofy.